But as these two systems kind of consolidate together, move to the north, they get stronger and stronger and really pick up that westerly wind and start driving it over the top of us. In terms of rainfall, we're done with it. There's a little bit of drizzle out there, but not too much, and it'll be ending very shortly as the fog will be eroding as well. But turning windy tonight as lows drop off 28 to 34 degrees. Tomorrow, big story tomorrow is the wind. There will be a little sunshine. You look outside, it won't look too bad, and you walk out in that wind. Temperature 30 to 36, but that temperature is going to really be kind of holding steady or falling as we head through the afternoon. And look at those westerly winds, 20 to 40 with the occasional gusts up around 60 miles an hour. So you see the temperatures tonight at 11 o'clock. Not bad, but they drop off as we head through the overnight hours and the wind starts to pick up. And then tomorrow, they don't get very warm. These are the temperatures at 6 o'clock tomorrow night. Many spots into the teens already. So you know what's going to happen tomorrow night. Look at these morning lows on Tuesday morning. Single digits out there, and it does not rebound much on Tuesday afternoon. We may be struggling to get into the 20s. And what about that wind? Tonight, building up to around 30-mile-an-hour wind gusts. But tomorrow morning, this is when they start to really ramp up. 8:30 in the morning, not bad. But by afternoon, look at those wind gusts with some elevation off to the west. I think around Worcester, that's where we'll see our strongest winds, over 60 miles an hour. And this time tomorrow night, they'll start to settle down a little bit. By Tuesday morning, they're still gusty and it's colder. That's why that wind chill index is going to be an issue. Speaking of the wind chill index, here's the way it looks tomorrow morning. It's going to feel like it's in the teens. Bundle up. You probably have to dig out the mittens. You haven't had to use them for a while. But look at the wind chill indexes on Tuesday morning. Almost everyone is going to be below zero. That's why I've made Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday all impact weather days, mainly because of the strong wind tomorrow. Tuesday because of the combination of wind and cold. And Wednesday morning, it's just flat out cold in the morning, rebounding only to about 24 degrees for a high temperature on Wednesday. After that, we start to warm up. Now, there's a little bit of light snow in the forecast on Thursday. It really looks like it's very light stuff, nothing much coming out of it, but it is some warmer air coming back in. So Friday, we're to the upper 30s, and by next Saturday, this sounds like a broken record, doesn't it? Next Saturday, we're into the mid-40s. Looks like it might start as a wintry mix and change over to rain, despite the fact we're going to have some really cold temperatures to start off the first part of the week. That's my latest forecast for right now. I'm meteorologist Mike Wacom.